Friends, welcome to Abhivakti India's future classroom. Here is the first question from the percentage. Most of the times such questions are asked in RRB exams, banks, probationary officers exams and other competitive exams. The question is, Arvind spends 75% of his income and saves the rest. His income is increased by 20% and he increases his expenditure by 10%, then the increase in his saving in percentage is whether 55%, 52%, 50% or 48%. So see the first condition, that Arvind spends 75% of his income. So first we will assume that let the Arvind's income is rupees 100 and he spends 75% and therefore his expenditure is 75%, that is rupees 75 if his income is 100 rupees, and rest he saves and therefore his saving will be 25% because he is spending 75%. So 25% of the income, that is 100 rupees, will be equal to rupees 25. So Arvind's expenditure is rupees 75 and his saving is rupees 25. But the new income is increased by 20%. Therefore the new income will be rupees 120, 20% of rupees 100. Then the new expenditure that increases by 10%. Previously the expenditure was rupees 75 and the 10% increase in the expenditure, it means rupees 75 plus 10% of 75, and 10% of 75 means 7.5 rupees, and therefore it will be rupees 75 plus 7.50, and therefore its total will be rupees 82.50 paise. Therefore he spends rupees 82.50 as his income increases by 20%. Therefore the saving will be what? His income is now 120 rupees and expenditure is 82 rupees 50 paise. Therefore the saving will be 120 minus 82.50, that is equal to 37.50. So his saving is 37.50. Previously his saving was rupees 25. Now his saving is rupees 37.50. So what percent is increased, that we have to calculate. So his saving was 25 rupees previously, now it is 37.50, and therefore if his previous saving is 100 rupees, what will be his new income? Just cross multiply and find the value of x. So x is equal to 37.50 multiplied by 100 divided by 25, and that comes to 50%, and therefore increase in saving in percentage is 50%. Friends, now we will see the another question, which is very simple one. 40% people read newspaper X, 50% read newspaper Y, and 10% read both the newspapers. What percentage of people read neither of these newspapers? Now here 50% read Y newspaper, 40% they read X newspaper, and the 10% that read both. It means that 10% are counted in 50% as well as 40%. So we will remove this 10% from the total of 50% and 40%, and therefore the total people reading this paper X and Y will be 80%. Therefore the 80% people, they read newspaper X and newspaper Y, and therefore the people those who don't read the newspaper X and the newspaper Y will be 20%. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.